Good evening, sir. Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. You can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Evening, sir.
Good evening. Nitish.
Sir.
Okay. Your video?
Yeah, so one second.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, sir. So sorry, sir. I just wanted, I didn't want to be late, so I just simultaneously joined both the meetings.
Both the meetings?
No, sir, like the previous meeting was ending very late, so I just joined this one, sir, before it ended.
Okay. Okay. So shall we start? Any questions before we go?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
So we got our maths textbook, sir.
Okay.
So should we take our maths textbook?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's see. So have you heard about the logarithms?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
I know this is not the new chapter we're gonna learn.
Yes, sir.
So we'll be starting with this, okay?
So I actually heard it somewhere in like IMO, sir, but never have done it or seen it.
Okay. You can see the writing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, logarithm is nothing but a tool. Okay. We'll
Very
see
easy to use tool.
part one. Part one is as a tool. The name is as a tool. Part two is basic applications. Part three is uh, medium applications. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see part one. A tool. So as a tool, suppose I write in this way, 3 raised to the power 9 is how much?
3
One
9,
second,
9
sir.
3 3 9 9 9 37
let's say 3 raised to the power 4.
Sir,
Three
raised to the power 4.
60,
81,
sir,
81.
63.
81.
81.
Sir.
Sorry,
81.
81, sorry.
Very good. So this object is said to be that 3 is raised
To the power of 4.
to the power of 4, and we get 81, right?
81. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is also written in this way, that log
Log
81
3.
on log 81
So you wrote 84.
on the base 3 is 4. Now, how to read this? How much? So 4. So this place, this place is called as base.
Yes, sir.
Whenever
Yes,
we
sir.
are discussing any logarithm, we will always be writing the base. What base we are talking. So generally, the right hand side will not be known to us. So asking what is log 81 on base 3, basically we are asking how much 3 should be raised so that you get 81. Okay. So
Yes.
4 times 3 should be raised to get 81. Okay, that's all it is. So this log is nothing but a different way of writing the same thing.
Yes.
There are advantages. There are advantages to do this, which we will see accordingly. And for the namesake, this object is called as exponential form. Because there are exponents which we are dealing with. And this object is called as logarithm form. Rather, logarithmic form. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I
Like
write,
repeated division.
yes,
It's like power. Power is repeated multiplication. This is like repeated division.
yes. So log 81 on base 3 means 3 should be raised 4 times to get 81. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you think if I write the log? So what is log?
So please, can you go to the previous slide? So I'll just write the last one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Okay. So what do you think? What is log 25 on base 5?
2, sir.
Sir,
Two.
Oh,
two,
two,
sir,
two,
two,
two.
sir.
Yeah, true. Sorry.
Because how? So
Sir,
how do you
5
get
square
25
is equal to.
from 5?
Sir,
You
raised to the
have to
power
raise
Sir,
2
sir,
times,
25.
right?
yes.
So
Yes, sir.
it is equal to 2. Okay. What
Yes,
is
sir.
log 25 on base minus 5?
2, sir.
Negative
Sir,
2.
negative
Still
2, sir.
2. No, it's still
Sorry,
2.
it's still 2. It's still 2. It's still
It's
Okay,
still 2.
yeah, 2.
Then
Right?
if it's
Yes,
negative
sir.
2, then it's 1 by
I know
25.
it's cube. It will be cube.
So minus
What?
5
It's
square
because-
is again
Not
2.
B, sorry.
That's all. Okay. What is log 1 by 9 on base 3?
Sir, it,
Sir, 1 by 3.
no, 1 by 3, sir. 1 by 3.
No, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2, sir.
Think again.
1 by 2, 1 by 2, yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure, 1
Wait,
by
wait,
2.
wait, wait.
1 by 2.
3
Because
raised to 1 by 2.
3
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not even a fraction.
3 should be raised to which power to get 1 by 9?
To get 1 by 9. Sir, what's square root 3?
Basically, what we are asking, what should I place in place of x to get 1 by 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 3 is to minus 2.
Right.
Okay.
3 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 square, and that is 1 by 9. Right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is equal to minus 2.
Oh, my God.
Understandable?
Sir, so
Yes, sir.
3 to the power of 1 by 2 is also enough. No, sorry.
3 to the power 1 by 2, it means it is a square root 3. That is not 1 by 9.
Yes, sir, sorry.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Very
Understood.
good.
Yes.
So it means that in general, what will be happening? In general, if I'm writing log A on base B given the number C, it means that what is happening in the exponential form?
B to the power of C is equal to A.
B to the power C equals A.
When B is raised to the power C, you are getting A. That is what it
A.
means.
To A.
Yes, sir.
Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's come to now part 2.
We can also write it as A root C is equal to B, sir. Like
Well, yes,
square
if you
root,
want to
cube root.
complicate it.
Yeah, we prefer to write it in this way and not in the nth root sort of things.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now, last question. What is log 2 on base 2?
Sir, 1.
1.
1.
1. Very good. Okay, excellent. Let's come to part 2. Basic applications. So in this basic explanation, what we'll be doing, we'll be seeing small equations. Okay. So for example, find x where log x plus 3 on base 4 is equal to 2. Can you try this?
Yes, sir. So x plus 3 raised, no, 4 raised to 2 equals x plus 3, right?
Will
So
be
it's 16.
13.
13, sir. 13.
Okay, log.
13. I said first.
Right. It means that 4 raised to the power 2 is equal to x plus 3.
Which is
Yes, sir.
It means 16 is equal to x plus 3. And that
minus
means x
3
is
X
equal
is
to
equal
13.
to 12.
13 is equal to x.
12. Sorry,
12
13.
or-
13. 13.
Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another question in the same format is true or false. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, can you go to the previous slide for a second?
It's simple. You can do it on your own.
Just copy it. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So he's done.
Sorry,
Yeah.
I'm-
So, true or false? If log 8 on base 2 is equal to 3, then log 2 on base 8, is it 1 by 3?
No, false.
Yes, sir. It's true. It's true. Because 8 cube root is 2.
Wait.
It is true, sir.
It is not
8
cube
raised.
root.
No, 8 raised to 1 by 3
Yes,
is
sir, it's true, sir.
cube
It's
root
true, sir.
8.
It's true, sir.
So
It's true,
it's
sir.
true.
It's true.
So question is, how much 8 should be raised to get 2?
What was the
Eight-
question again?
First, you are given this, that log 8 on base 2 is 3,
Oh
because
my
2
God.
when raised to 3 gives you 8. Now, when 8 raised to 1 by 3, does it give you 2? So basically, it is asking, is it true that 8 raised to the power 1 by 3 equal to 2?
Yes,
This is
sir.
true,
True.
right?
Yes, sir.
Certainly true. So this question should also prompt you to think that in general, the base and the value, so these values can interchange. 8 can come in place of 2 and 2 can come in place of 8. That means that in general, if log A on base B is equal to C, then what is log B on base A?
1 by C.
1 by C. Right?
So
Understandable?
This is
Yes.
what I told. This is what I like asked, like A root.
Yeah, exactly. So we don't, this is a property. We do it in this way. We put it as a property and not as a definition. Okay, that's the only difference.
Yes, sir. So 1 second, sir. I'll just copy it down.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Done,
Okay.
sir.
So next question in the same category. Find x if log 2x square minus 1 on base 7 is 2.
So x equals 5, sir. It's 5, right?
What?
X equals 5,
X
right,
is
sir?
There
No,
are
that's
more
not
than
that.
one
Oh,
value.
yeah. So x can be 5,
Sir,
sir.
because
X can be
x
5.
square is 25 and
Ah.
25 into 2 is
25
50,
into
50
2
minus 1 is
50,
49
minus
and
1,
that's
49.
7 square.
Yeah, oh my God.
There
Okay.
are more than one values. Apart from 5 also there is one value.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Very good.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
so then minus 49 will be the answer, right, sir?
It's
Or
we're
Yes,
squaring
see,
the number.
it is 7 square is 2x square minus 1. This is 49 equal to 2x square minus 1. 49 plus 1, 50 is equal to 2x
is
square.
equal to x square.
So 25 is equal to x
Is
square.
equal to x square.
X
And
equals
x
to
is equal
25
to
is equal to
5 and minus 5.
5 and minus. Yes, sir.
Plus or minus 5.
You can even simply do it by cancelling the squares out, and 2x will easily become 8, sir.
8.
So x will become 4.
4.
Sir?
X will be x is 5.
Sir? Yes,
Come
sir,
again?
x is 5. No, sir, I'm saying like let's say let's cancel the squares on 2x square and 7x square, and 7 is equal to 2x minus 1.
Oh, no.
2x.
No, the
You
whole
can't do
side
it?
is not square. Or you can
You
only do it if the
cannot-
whole side is square.
Yeah,
If it is like this, then 7 is equal to writing 2x minus 1 is not correct.
that's wrong.
But 1 square is equal to 1 only, right, sir?
No,
We
it's
can't
not like
cancel
that.
like this. We can
2 is
cancel
not squared,
only
no.
one.
2
Both
is
of
not
them
squared,
are
no.
having some powers.
Okay. sir.
2x whole square means you can do that, I think.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You still can't. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's see the last question in this category. Find x, where the equation is log x minus 1 plus log x plus 1 is equal to log 1 on base 2.
Like log of what is x minus 1, sir? What's the base, sir?
Yes. So that's what the remark is. The remark is whenever the base is not shown,
Is it
10 is always the base. Whenever
10?
Yes, whenever no base is given, 10 is the base.
Both? I mean, whenever the base is not given.
Well, I did not write any base, no, log x minus 1
For
on
both
what?
logs, it's 10.
Yes,
The
for
base
both.
is 10. Okay.
It is a very important thing which you should remember, because
X is
mostly
0,
questions will not be given you in bases.
Sir, is
So
x
this-
0, sir?
Wait.
X is 0?
Sir.
No, I don't think so.
Sir, because if log is 2 and which is equal to 1, it will be 0, sir, because
Not
2
0.
to the power of 0 is only 1, right, sir?
Yeah, but for that's log for the
The
equal
right hand
to
side
log,
is
that
0,
one
but we
is
don't know
0.
about the left hand
We
side.
don't know
Right?
what x is.
Calculate it
Left,
properly. Then
left hand.
I'm not sure of this.
1 second, sir. Give me some time.
Sir, it is 2, sir. X is equal to 2.
Mhm.
Positive 2. Positive 2.
Okay.
So that means the like when we take 10, since the log to
It's not.
log
It's not
1
2.
to no, I'm not telling it's 2. See,
No, I'm
like
telling
if
Sankar.
log 1 base of 2 is 0, that means for both the like log 10 x minus 1, that is also 0, sir. Like for both it's 0, sir.
Come again.
I don't think it's wrong, the Kumar.
See, log x
D.
minus 1, the base of 10 is equal to log 1 to the base of 10, 2, which is equal to 0. And for both, it'll become 0, right, sir? For both log x minus 1 and log x plus 1.
So it depends on the calculations. What are your identities and all.
Sankar, log of
Wait,
2
one
plus
second,
1
one
is
second,
3.
One second, one second.
I mean, like,
one second.
how is it?
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
So point is how to evaluate this. Certainly you will see that the right hand side is 0, right?
Sir.
Because 2 when raised to 0 power, then only it gives 1. No other number
Yes,
can. Now left hand side is log x minus 1 plus log
plus
x
log
plus
x plus 1.
2. Right. So whatever this base 10 is there, now 10 is raised to some
So
power.
1, sir, x is equal to 1.
Hmm?
I'm getting
No,
x
it's
is
not.
equal
It's not one.
to 1, sir.
It's not one.
No.
Okay. Yes, sir, you can continue.
Okay. So let's say that
So can we add logs, sir? Like log 2 to the power of 1 plus log 2 to the power of 1 is equal to log 20 to the power of 2.
no,
Can we do
not
It's
at
log.
this stage we cannot. At this stage we cannot. But we'll see. There is a way to deal that thing also. So let's say that this is equal to a. Okay. It means that when 10 is raised to the power a, you get x minus 1.
So is it 1.1?
We'll see. We'll see. I also don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And
I think it's one.
from the relation 1, can you say that from 1, log of x minus 1 on or x plus 1 on base 10 is minus a?
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. No,
So-
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yes.
It is.
So it has to
If
be
we-
minus x, sir. It has to be minus x.
Minus?
No.
Minus x.
Now, when you add a and minus a, you get 0. No, that's what you want.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so we like add a minus sign to the second one.
Yes.
Okay.
So what we want is we need to see 2 and 3 and solve for x. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So how do we solve for x?
Sir,
Sir,
we just
found
make it
x is equal
positive
to
by
10 to the power.
adding a minus, sir. We change the minus a to plus a by adding a minus to the entire equation.
Yeah.
We do log of
Sir,
x
we
minus 1.
sir, as
Yes,
we have
continue.
three equations, I think we can do substitution, sir.
Mhm.
10 to the power of negative a plus 1 is equal to x. So x is equal, so we can substitute x by telling 10 to the power of negative a plus 1 minus 1 plus 10 to the power of log base 10 x 10 to the power of negative a plus 1 is equal to 0.
See,
Okay.
so multiply 2 and 3. What do you get? 10 raised to the power a into 10 raised to the power minus a equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right? LHS multiplying, RHS multiplying.
Yes, sir.
What is this
So
number?
the powers will cancel, sir.
Yeah. So this
Yes,
will be
sir.
written as
Is it square
10
root
raised to
2?
the power a plus
Square root.
minus a is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1, right?
My x
Yes,
plus
yes, sir.
1.
Right
Sir,
now?
is the answer root 2? My final answer, sir.
No, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I also don't. So this is 10 raised to the power 0, x square minus 1.
Minus 1.
What is 10 raised to the power 0?
Yes, sir.
10 raised to the power 0 is 1.
Sir, then it is root 2, sir. It is root 2.
Now we can see. but not only root 2. Minus root 2
Negative
also.
root 2.
Okay, sir. Like, we
So
get
what
into
will you
next
get
root
if you do it by substituting, sir?
Substitution will take you very far. I mean, it will be too complicated. What you will substitute?
X, sir, because you have 3 equations on it.
What
X
you
is
want to
what?
find? You will be then dealing with equation in A, but you don't want A, you want X. Right?
Yes, sir.
Understandable?
Sir, how
Yes,
did?
sir.
Okay,
Sir,
no,
but
no,
is
sir.
it even possible? Is it even possible?
Come again?
Is it possible?
Yeah, it should be possible. I'm not denying
But
the
not
fact that
humanly possible.
it is not possible. You can try it. Okay.
Sir, I
Yes,
did
sir.
it differently, sir.
Okay. So let's move to part 3.
3.
Medium application.
Yes. Part 3 is medium applications.
So the basic was quite complicated.
Now this is going to be super duper. I mean, easy.
Okay.
No, the
So in the
calculations were
medium
easy, but
yeah.
the concept it
In the
was
medium
complex.
explanations, no, medium applications, we will see certain laws which will help us in calculating. Okay, let's see. So first law, which is called as product law. The first law says that whenever you have an expression log m cross n on base a, it is equal to log m on base a plus log n on base a. Okay,
Yes, sir.
can you see the screen?
So this is what I did, sir. So since the expression was in the second form, I made it into the first form. I brought the logarithm to the other side, and then like since log 0 is 1, I just did that's m into n
The
equals 1. I
point
did.
was we were doing it in part 2 before
Yes,
part
sir.
3, right? So we don't know that logarithm behaves like this.
So no, sir. I did it like I combined both logarithms. I did log of 10, log base 10 equals x in x plus 1 into x minus 1, sir. So it's
How do you
a
know?
square
How do you
minus
know?
b square formula.
How do you know?
So because it's like logarithm is a functions for like if we operate the same function on two things, it'll give the same, sir.
So are you saying that that is it true always f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y?
No, sir. F of xy equals f of x plus f of y.
F of
No, f of xy equals f of x plus f of y.
so you are saying that it is true
Sir,
always.
it's different, sir.
I think
No, sir, no,
Is it?
sir, it's not same because
It's
x
not true
in the
always.
it's yeah, it's not.
It is not true always. Okay. Although it is a highly desirable property and we expect that every function should have, but there are numerously many functions which do not have this property. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. I did it like this and I got the correct answer.
Yeah. So logarithm has this property once we establish it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
So
there is
for
also
logarithm, it's always possible.
yeah, for logarithm it is always
Sir,
possible.
Sir, you won't believe where I learned this that function one from. So I learned it from YouTube Shorts. Sir.
Mhm.
Learned it
YouTube
Khan
is at
Academy.
last useful. YouTube is
In
useful.
logarithm, no, this property holds, which is called as first law. You can also call it product law because it deals with product. But anyway, it has addition also. The most important thing is to notice that remark. This is not true that log m plus n on base a is not equal to log m on
Log
base
A,
a plus log n on
log
base a.
N.
This is not true.
Yes,
So
sir.
what Kongwei did was wrong.
No, what it was correct. It's correct.
So
Okay.
multiplication goes over addition,
It was correct,
and
but it's not
addition can
always
be
correct.
combined in
No,
multiplication.
it is always correct in the case of logarithm, but I didn't consider that it was a logarithm. I just considered it as function.
Yeah. Now,
Yes,
Why
sir.
did you
second law.
not consider it as a logarithm there?
Hey, let's continue with the subject. Yes, sir.
Okay, second law. Second law says that whenever you have log of a fraction m by n on base a,
Is it
this can
minus,
also
sir?
be written as log
Minus
m on base a minus log
minus
n
log
base
N
on base.
base
Okay.
A.
This is always true. Whatever m, n, or a are there, denominator must be non-zero. Then only.
Just like
So
exponent.
this
Yes,
helps.
sir.
This helps in manipulating the fraction under logarithms, or in the reverse way, it helps in manipulating the difference of logarithms into a fraction.
Yes, sir.
Here also, there is a remark which we should remember. The remark is
N should not be
log
0.
m on base a log n on base a. This is not equal to log m on base a minus log n on base a. This is not equal. Okay. Whenever the whole
Oh,
fraction
okay.
is under the logarithm on a certain base, then only it comes into the subtraction format. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, next is third law. The law says that whenever you have log of a power on any base, okay, then it can be written as n times of log
Log
m on base a.
n.
Oh.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sure, but that
So this
basically
just like
means n on the
exponent.
entire log a m, right, sir?
We just multiply the result with N.
So it can be seen
Okay,
in this
okay.
way.
It's different. It's different. It's different. It's different.
The power, no, the power comes behind.
Sir, the power becomes a normal multiplication.
The power becomes the multiplication factor. Okay. Here also, there is a remark. The remark is, if you have log m on base a whole power n, then this is not equal to n log m on base a. Okay.
Sir, can you do a sum
What
regarding
sum?
this?
Yes,
Sorry,
sir. Yes, so this is what I asked, but I was wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we need to be careful in utilizing these laws. Okay. We should know how and in what
Sir,
conditions they fit.
yes. So this will be equal to log m base a the whole raised to n, right, sir?
Yeah. It is the nth power of whatever log m on base a is.
Okay, sir.
Can you do a sum regarding this third law?
Yes, Tarun?
Do a sum regarding this third law.
Yeah, we will do. We will do based on all the three laws, but let's know them first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, these are the three most important laws based on which we will be looking into the next parts of this chapter. And these laws form the foundation of your chapter logarithms.
Sir,
So
why is
what will be-
logarithm? Continue.
Why is?
So that means we still
Why
need
is
to
logarithm
start
an
the chapter
entire
logarithm.
Huh. So is it okay
Why
if
is
we
it a very big
discuss?
topic?
Is it okay if we discuss this at the end of the class?
Yes, sir, sure,
Yes,
sure.
sir. Sure.
Because there is a little history behind it, and probably that will be the right time.
Okay, sir, sure.
Yo, Congo algebra was also a very big chapter in 6th and 7th.
It is a very big chapter.
I
Okay,
never
Not
saw
so
now
we'll
because it's
let's look at a question in this part. The question is
there's no algebra in our textbook there.
This
express
is
You don't
ninth
even get
grade,
what I'm
huh?
telling.
express
Yes, sir.
fifth root of 108 on base 2
Which is equal
on
to
base 10 in terms
On
of
question. The third law.
log 2 on base 10 and log 3 on base 10.
So
Okay.
what do you mean in
so
terms
what
of,
we
sir?
yeah
So you have this expression, right? Log
Yes, sir.
fifth root of 108 on base 10. I want to rewrite it in certain forms where only things which are present in the final expression are these two things.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
They could be powers, plus, multiplication, whatever will be there, but they should be there in these two things only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So try it.
so I don't get it, sir. Like it should be equal to something, right?
Yeah, it
So
should
for
be equal
example,
to. Okay.
for example,
Okay,
if
so
I ask,
okay, I get it. So log to the power of 5 square, sorry, log 10, 5 square root 108 should be equal to log 10 2, right?
no, I'm saying that you express a number, let's say 7, in terms of 4 and 3.
Which
How
is
will you do?
impossible. Oh, so sorry.
So 7 will be 4 plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So I want you to rewrite this left-hand side logarithm in terms of these two logarithms.
Okay.
Here you will need to require the use of three laws. So for example, it will go like this. So log of, is it okay if we write it 108 fifth power on
Yes,
base
sir, that's
10?
what I did. And then it's
Right?
1
Yes,
by
sir.
5
Yes,
log.
sir.
So then I can bring
1
down
by
the
5
power.
log.
It is 1 by 5
1 by
times
5
5
log
log
108.
Log
108
108.
on base 10.
108. Yes, sir.
This becomes log. So this is a multiplication of uh, 9
It is
into
100 and
12. Is it?
2 square into 3 square.
12.
No,
Yes, sir.
2
12
cube.
into 9.
Wait, what?
yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
probably
9
we
into
can
12
write
is
it
correct only,
as
sir.
log of 2 square and 3 cube, right?
Yes.
Sir.
Wait.
Sir, no.
Wait, what?
Sir,
No,
3
sir.
No,
square
sir.
and 2 cubes. I mean,
Sir, 2 square is 4 and 3
So
cube is
this
81.
is 3 into 3
Sorry,
into
27.
2 into 2
So you're
into
doing
3.
4 into 27, sir. So you're doing, sir, you did 3 cube.
That's what, no?
Hey,
9
yes,
is
sir.
3 into
Sir's
3.
right. Sir's right. Sir is right.
12
Sir
is 2 into 2 into 3.
oh.
So how
This is
many
4
cubes
into
are there?
27. Okay, sir.
Oh,
What's okay? 4 into 27 is 108, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then, sir.
You forgot the
Okay.
10, sir. You forgot the 10 of the base.
Okay, so what will happen? It is equal to 1 by 5 log 2 square into 3 cube.
These
Now I know that multiplication can be reduced to addition, right? So this becomes
Yes, sir.
1 by 5
1 by 5 log
log 2
Log.
square.
log 2
So this is happening in what
plus
base?
Log 3
plus
cube.
plus
Base
log
also
Sir, 10,
is
sir. 10,
3
10,
cube.
10, 10. Base 10.
10.
So what is the base?
So it will be log 2 square base 10 plus
It
log
will be 1 by 5. 1 by 5
Log-
log 2 square to the base 10
2
plus
square
log 3
base
cube to
10
the,
plus
to the base
log
10.
3
Sir,
cube
can I tell the
base
answer?
10.
Sir, answer is 2 by 5 log 2 plus 3 by 5 log 3.
Okay, so again power comes. Your answer should be matching now.
2 by
Right?
5 log 2 plus 3 by 5 log 3.
Log
Yes,
2
sir.
plus base 10 plus 3 by
Sir,
5
you applied
log
all 3 laws.
3 base 10. Oh my.
Understanding?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is which we got. What is the final expression? Log on base 10, fifth root of 108. So this is
Yes,
expressed
sir.
in terms of log 2 on base 10 and log 3 on base 10. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very much.
Very good. Very good.
So you applied
Okay.
all 3 laws on one question. Like every question should be applied on all 3 laws.
No, he didn't apply the second law.
Yeah.
Not necessary that all laws will apply at the same time.
You can
Okay.
apply 0 rules also.
Okay, shall we see one more?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We have time.
We have 10 more
We have
minutes.
10 more minutes.
Okay, let's see.
Ding.
So
So we have
suppose
exactly 10 more minutes.
Okay, that's enough.
16 seconds.
That's enough.
No, actually
So
10 more
if-
minutes, 2 more seconds.
log
10 more
2
minutes.
Yeah.
is
Perfect.
equal to 0.3010
To the base.
and log 3
Base is
is
10, ra.
equal
Base
to
is 10.
Okay.
0.4771.
Is
By
that
the way,
real,
this
sir?
is the exact value of log 2 on base 10 and log 3 on base 10. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Find the value of log square root 24. Try it.
So like that's it, sir.
Yeah, that's
Kongwil, don't say the answer if you finish. Be quiet.
Yeah, da, don't say the answer, da.
It's just square root 24.
Yeah, square root 24.
Yes, sir.
It should be some decimal, the answer.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm done.
No, don't you dare open your mouth.
The answer is. If I say Nitish will slap me.
No. Don't you dare. I'm trying to do it. Mm,
Sir, can I put the answer in the chat?
Sir, I
it with
think
you.
I'm also
Sir.
done, sir. Yeah, sir. I think I got
Yes,
an
sir.
answer. I don't understand what this answer is.
Okay, I just have a doubt, sir. Can we do like never mind.
Sir, can I tell the answer now?
So even I did it, sir.
The answer is 0.7936.
0.
7936.
No,
So I got
No,
a different
sir,
answer,
sure.
sir.
we'll see. Okay.
Sir, I got
Sir, I got something like
1.3801,
4.631.
sir.
No.
Sir, I got
It's not even one.
4.6.
Let's see.
So I
So
got
log
1.3801, sir.
square root 24 is equal to
1 by
log
2 log 24.
1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 log 24.
2 log 10. Yes, sir.
This is 1 by 2
So
log
24, 2 cube
So
into 3
A-
square, sir.
2
2
cube
cube,
into
2
3.
into 2 into 2 into 2.
3 square, sir. 3 square, right?
2 into 2 into
3
2
square.
So
into
6
3.
into. Oh, that's the where I
Not
made
3
the
square,
mistake,
it's only
sir.
3. It's not 3 square.
So 1 by 2 log 2 cube
Oh, wait.
I got 4.
Okay, I did it correctly only, sir. I did it correctly only.
plus log 3.
3.
Right? So this is equal to
Yes, sir.
So
1
1
by
by
2
2, 3 log
3 by
2.
2 log. 3
3
by 2
by
log
2.
log.
2 plus log 3.
10 log 3.
That we know the value of
3 log.
3 log 2.
Sir, I
What
did
is
it wrong.
3
That's
log
the only part I
into
made
log 2?
mistake, sir.
0.3010. And we know the value of log 3 also, 0.4771. What we do first? Multiplication. This means it is equal to 0.9030 plus 0.4771. Now addition will give you 1, 0, 8, 3,
Sir,
1.
1.3801, sir.
1.3801 and division by 2 will give you
No.
0.6.
Sir, I was almost correct, sir. I forgot the division
9.
part,
Sir,
sir.
it's a 6936. Right?
No.
No.
0.5.
So can you give us
So
one more?
I was the most correct, sir. Partially most correct.
Most, there's no
But
most correct,
1.38.
nearest correct. It's just
Yeah,
correct
so
or
the
wrong.
Can you give us one more question? Can you give us one more question?
Yes,
What
yes,
about the
yes.
division
Of
part,
course.
sir? I got
So this is the last
1.38.
question. This is the last question.
I got 6.
Sir, so I did it slightly different, sir. I did 3 by 2 into log 2. So that is equal to 0.3165, sir.
Okay.
And then I added it with half of log 3, sir. That's correct, right?
Sir, I forgot about the
It's
root
correct,
cells, sir.
but you should have. I mean, if the answer is not this, it is miscalculation.
Sir, I forgot about
But-
the
So
root
the-
cells, sir. That's why
The
I didn't
answer
divide
should
it,
be
sir.
exactly.
Should have
like
gotten
a
Sir,
part
can
of
you
the
go back for a
number
second,
should
sir?
be exact.
So what's log 3? Log 3 is 0.4771. Okay,
Is 0.
I just wanted to check.
Is
that.
0.477.
Okay. So last question in
Yes,
this
I
part
got
is
it correct. Got it correct.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Sir,
did a mistake on the addition. The addition of
evaluate.
This-
Log 5 plus log 8 minus 2 log 2.
Find it out.
Yeah. So
Is equal to?
simplify it.
Oh,
Simplify
oh,
it.
we just have to simplify it. Okay, so evaluate means like finding the answer, right? Should we evaluate or simplify, sir?
So do some the 3 laws which you have learned, apply them here, and can you simplify the expression?
We
Okay,
should
okay.
simplify
I
it
get
and then we should evaluate it.
Should I write simplify?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Evaluate
probably.
is different, sir.
Simplify it.
Your screen turned black. Can you tell the question, sir?
No, it's not.
For me,
It's
da.
not black.
Okay.
For me. Can you tell the question, sir?
Question
Ah,
is
now it came. Okay, now it came, sir. Now it came. Okay.
okay.
Minus 2 log 2. Okay.
And remember, when the base is not given, what is the base?
10.
10. 10, sir. Sir, I'm done.
Once again, don't tell the answer.
Yes, I'm done, sir. I'm done, sir. I'm done, sir. I'm done, sir.
I guess I'm done, sir. I got an answer. I don't know if it's correct, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
All
is
of
the
you got
answer
the
log
answer?
10? So log 10.
I got an answer, but not.
You can further simplify
Yeah.
it.
Sir,
Sir,
2,
log
sir.
10.
If we
Oh,
further
log
simplified
10
it, will be 2.
Log 10 is 1. It's 1. Answer is 1.
So I got log 10 to the base 10, which is equal to 1.
Which is 1. Hey, just copy my answer. So
Sorry,
So
sad.
yeah. So
Actually,
it
I
is
don't
like
know.
this. This is log 5 plus log 2 cube minus 2 log 2. This is log 5 plus 3 log
You
2
didn't do it like that.
Sir, this is much complicated, sir.
minus 2 log 2.
Oh, sir, it's just log 2. Log 5
5 plus
minus
log 2.
plus log 2. Oh, yeah.
Log
this
2.
is
Oh
log
my
10.
god.
This is 1 because you are on base.
Sir, but you have to
Even
do
simpler.
addition first. Then you have to do like subtraction. So you have to do addition.
Either
first,
way,
then
either way you can do that. You can also directly write this as log 5 into 8 divided by 2 square.
That's what I did, sir.
Sir,
Both are
I used the first law and I got log 10 to the 10 as log 10 40, sir.
log.
What? Log 10, 40.
Log 10 as base and 40
Hey,
minus
you don't
2
have to tell
log
10, Raj. Just tell log.
I got log 40 minus 2 log 2, then which is
Okay.
equal to log 10 40 by 2. According to laws, that is right, sir.
Basically, you are
This is much
doing
quicker.
these two first, right?
Sir.
No problem. So you can write it as log 40 minus 2
Yes,
log
sir.
2.
Yes, sir.
This is log
Set.
40 minus log 4. This is
Sir, I
log
didn't do it
40
like-
divided by 4.
Sir, I did log 40 minus 2 log 2 is gonna be log only, right? So because log minus 2 log is gonna be log, right? Sorry, negative log, right?
What?
I don't understand.
No, sir. Like I used the second law where log minus another log, which is gonna be
Log
log
m by
10. Yeah, m by n, and I use that. And as there is negative 2 log and there is one positive log, I cancelled out one log and only one negative log remains. So
No,
I
you
got
can't do like
negative
that.
log 20, sir.
You can't do it
No,
like
no,
that.
no. That cancellation is a mistake.
Only if C is same on both sides, you can do that.
So you see the laws again, and doesn't matter which way you choose, the answer should come as 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But it should be
Okay.
the wrong way.
All the best then.
Or else you won't get stuck.
Tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.